Hello everyone. Today we're going to be unboxing Inflight 200 American Airlines 767-300 tail number N363AA. It's got the old livery and it does not have winglets. I purposely went for a retro look from when it was delivered back in 1998. So I bought this one from a company called Historic Aviation out in Georgia. Got a really nice price and I'm very happy with it. Can't wait to see what's inside. All right, here is what we're getting into. Plastic. As you can see, it is polished and the detail on it is really good. I'm very pleased with it. It's got a jeweled beacon up here. Looks like satellite antennas up here. The landing gear are not on yet. They are magnetic. Here they are right here. And they're all intact. The detail on the landing gear is actually really good. Pleased with that. So I'm gonna pause the video for a second, put the gear on, and see what it looks like, the finished product. Okay, so here it is standing on its landing gear. And I love magnetic landing gear because they tend to stay in and they're less susceptible to breakage. What I like about this landing gear in particular is how it can swivel downward just like on the real aircraft when it comes in for a landing. And then here it is on its stand. And there you have it. Inflight 200, American Airlines 767-300. Very pleased with it. I hope you like this video. It's the first unboxing video I've ever done, so please be gentle in the comments.